Hello, I'm Luis Casco, Mary Kay's Global Beauty Ambassador, and I'm here today to give you the lowdown on how to get that perfect foundation look. I'm so excited to introduce the brand new Mary Kay TimeWise 3D foundation. Let's start by finding the right shade to match your skin tone and your undertone. If your skin tone deepens in the sun, you're probably warm. If you burn easily, you're likely a cool. And if you're somewhere in between, you're probably a neutral. So now we'll start the stripe test with Tati. Note that as I'm applying it, I'm using the same tool that Tati would use to apply the foundation with. That's very important so that you can see the right finish. So you want to make sure to give your foundation plenty of time to dry so that then you can find that perfect shade that matches your face, your décolleté, and even your shoulders. So Tati's perfect shade is beige C220. Look how great that finish is. There are lots of factors that can influence your foundation shade choice. My advice, keep it simple. Do it the way the pros do it. Start with a stripe test.